Swarna Bharat Parivar, SBP, a voluntary organization that started in 2010, has been working towards the objective of recognizing these issues and fighting to end these problems that exist in society. SBP welcomes all the educators, edu-leaders, stakeholders, research scholars, students, inspiring individuals, and esteemed dignitaries all over the world for the Global Education Summit, Awards and Convocation 2021. Piyush Pandit, the chairman of SBP, has the vision of Golden India that starts with understanding the role and contribution of every person in building a nation. Swarna Bharat Parivar is not an organization doing charity for fame. Piyush Pandit is eager to make reforms in society for a bright future, with the goal to help others so that they can further help others, and together we construct a powerful nation. Till now, SBP has reached all over India and abroad with its moral values, strengthening the idea of Sevniti. An individual can bring the idea of change, but to bring Swarna Bharat Parivar is that community with the idea of bringing change in our society and making India golden again. SBP believes that there is no exercise better for the heart than reaching down and lifting people. We, with our projects and sustainable development goals, trying to reform mankind, making it modern yet environmental friendly. Swarna Bharat Parivar is organizing various projects throughout the year to help the community, students, and people from the underprivileged sections of society. A few of the renowned projects are fee sponsorship, stationery to the students, Anna Data, food to the needy, blanket distribution, and many more. Kambal Vitran, blanket distribution, is a project which is being carried every year during the winter season by SBP. A blanket is the warmth of unconditional love towards the needy, poor, and elderly people. To celebrate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative by the Government of India, we are having Kambal Vitran, blanket distribution, in all the states, all districts in India with the mission of 1 lakh Kambal Vitran, blanket distribution. Swarna Bharat Parivar announces its international and national brand ambassadors for the Kambal Vitran Yojana 2021 to 2022. Dr. Pareen Somani is appointed as international brand ambassador. She is from United Kingdom. She will be contributing in achieving the mission of Kambal Vitran to help the people in need. Dr. Deepti Rajote is appointed as National Brand Ambassador. She is from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, India. She has been constantly involved in the social service and doing a commendable work in helping the people in need. Now she takes charge of achieving the Kambal Vitran mission of Swarna Bharat Parivar. Together we can and will make a difference in the lives of many. So, let's join our hands together in the noble cause of Kambal Vitran, blanket distribution, on this auspicious occasion of the Global Education Summit, Awards and Convocation 2021.